Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of programming basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your account in HostGator. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in HostGator.com and it will directly lead you to a homepage of HostGator website. Here on the top right corner, you can see the sign in option here. Click on it, and if you hover your mouse there, you can see two different options here. Click on website builder. After that, if you have signed up with your Google account or your Facebook account, you can directly log into those accounts. Here I have used my Google account, so I am clicking on this sign in with Google. Now after you log in, you can simply skip this page and click on this HostGator logo here on the left top corner. And after that, you can see that you have successfully logged in into this HostGator website. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.